With the colony in disarray, the predators have the advantage. Carmine bee-eaters have flown hundreds of miles from the rainforests of the Congo. Arriving at the peak of the dry season, when steep sandbanks are exposed by the falling water. They're a perfect place to nest, out of reach of predators from above. Bee-eater burrows can extend for 2 meters into the soft river sand. Already home to 6,000 nests, real estate at bee-eater towers is in high demand. But it pays not to build too close to the neighbours. As more birds arrive, competition for the best nesting sites heats up. It's thirsty work. In the sudden commotion, they're vulnerable from below and above. African fish eagles. They are permanent residents here, but at this time of the year, they don't just eat fish. The safest place to be is inside a burrow. But an eagle flyby sends shockwaves of panic through the colony. The eagle's strategy is to pin their prey against the riverbank. With the colony in disarray, the predators have the advantage. These fish eagles also choose to breed in the dry season because they need the bee-eaters as food for their chicks.